Yo, what's goody? It's your favorite Fresco BK, and Stadium Goods is open in 2 locations. So if you're in Chicago, pull up to 60 East Walton Street. If you're in Manhattan, New York City, pull up to 47 Howard Street and make sure you tell them that Fresco sent you. But today we are unboxing one of the most hype releases of 2020, and it's the Air Jordan 4 Fire Red. So cut this talk, yo, let's get straight to these shoes, you feel me? Never ever to be confused with the Cement Air Jordan 4, but the Fire Red is also an original classic that MJ actually played in. It originally released in 1989, and the follow-up in 2012 featured the Jumpman logo. However, in between 89 and 2012, there were 2 special edition releases. There was the Laser Fire Red Jordan 4, which featured the full lasering throughout the upper, and then there's the Mars Blackman Fire Red Jordan 4 that featured the Mars Blackman logo, and we all know that Mars Blackman, aka Spike Lee, is the original sidekick of MJ. Fast forward to 2020 and we have the return of the 89 Classic. So here's the box top, standard Jordan 4 box top, and please let me know what you guys think in the comments. But here we have the Air Jordan 4 Fire Red 2020. The 2020 details mirror that of the 89 version. So we have the white detailing throughout that entire upper. We have the white laces. We have the red Jumpman with the flight logo on the tongue. We have the classic Nike Air hang tag for the Jordan 4. The perforated holes that run throughout that upper. You see just above the toe box area and on the outer and inner panels. We have the red and black detailing throughout the upper, and of course the red, black, and white detailing in the midsole with the exposed air unit. Let's get to the back tab. Pull tab right there, black, and then we have the red Nike Air logo, classic to the 89 version. As we get to the outsole, features the grays, white, and red hits throughout the entire outsole. So the 2020 version is almost mirroring details to the 89 version, and is a true revisit of an instant classic from 89 as we fast forward all the way to 2020. So jump in the comments and let me know what you think of the Fire Red Air Jordan 4, or what's your favorite year release of the Air Jordan 4? Is it the 89? Is it 2012? Is it the Laser in 05? Mars Blackman in 06? Jump in the comments and let me know. Or just what's your favorite Jordan 4s in general? We've had a few. We've had the collab releases from Union. There's an Eminem Jordan 4. There's a classic black cement. As I mentioned, this is a white cement Jordan 4 back earlier in the video. But let me know what's your favorite. And we do have these and multiple other Jordan 4s available right here. Well, of course not right here, but at Stadium Goods, located on 47 Howard Street in Manhattan, New York City, and 60 East Walton Street in Chicago, Illinois. So make sure you pull up to both of our locations. And if you can do that, go to stadiumgoods.com for all of your Stadium Goods needs. Follow at Stadium Goods on all social media platforms. That's on everything. And last but not least, if you haven't done this already, I always suggest this. Make sure you have room in your phone. Download the Stadium Goods app. It's available on iOS and on Android. Check out these Jordan 4s. Check out everything we got going on at Stadium. I am Fresco BK, and salud.